Dopaminergic cell groups are collections of neurons in the central nervous system that have been demonstrated by histochemical fluorescence to contain the neurotransmitter dopamine. 11 discrete dopaminergic cell groups have been identified. Cell Group A8. Group A8 is a small group of dopaminergic cells in rodents and primates. It is located in the midbrain reticular formation dorsolateral to the substantia nigra at the level of the red nucleus and caudally. In the mouse it is identified with the retrorubral field as defined by classical stains. Cell Group A9. Group A9 is the most densely packed group of dopaminergic cells, and is located in the ventrolateral midbrain of rodents and primates. It is for the most part identical with the pars compacta of the substantia nigra as defined on the basis of Nislo stains. Cell Group A10. Group A10 is the largest group of dopaminergic cells in the ventral midbrain tegmentum of rodents and primates. The cells are located for the most part in the ventral tegmental area, the linear nucleus and, in primates, the part of central gray of the midbrain located between the left and right oculomotor nuclear complexes. Cell Group A11. Group A11 is a small group of dopaminergic cells located in the posterior periventricular nucleus and the intermediate periventricular nucleus of the hypothalamus in the macaque. In the rat, small numbers of cells assigned to this group are also found in the posterior nucleus of hypothalamus, the supramammillary area and the reunions nucleus. Dopaminergic cells in A11 may be important in the modulation of auditory processing. Cell Group A12. Group A12 is a small group of cells in the arcuate nucleus of the hypothalamus in primates. In the rat a few cells belonging to this group are also seen in the anteroventral portion of the paraventricular nucleus of the hypothalamus. Cell Group A13. Group A13 is distributed in clusters that, in the primate, are ventral and medial to the mammillothalamic tract of the hypothalamus. A few extend into the reunions nucleus of the thalamus. In the mouse, A13 is located ventral to the mammillothalamic tract of the thalamus in the zona incerta. Cell Group A14. Group A14 consists of a few cells observed in and near the preoptic periventricular nucleus of the primate. In the mouse, cells in the anterodorsal preoptic nucleus are assigned to this group. Cell Group A15. Group A15 exists in a few species, such as sheep, and immunoreactive for tyrosine hydroxylase, a precursor of dopamine, in many other species including rodents and primates. It is located in ventral and dorsal components within the preoptic periventricular nucleus and adjacent parts of the anterior hypothalamic region. It is continuous caudally with the dopaminergic group A14. Cell Group A16. Group A16 is located in the olfactory bulb of vertebrates, including rodents and primates. Cell Group AUK. Group AUK is a sparse group of cells located in the rostral half of the central gray of the midbrain in primates. It is more prominent in the squirrel monkey, samurai, than the macaque. Telencephalic group. This group is a population of cells immunoreactive for dopamine and tyrosine hydroxylase that are broadly distributed in the rostral forebrain, including such structures as substantia innominata, diagonal band, olfactory tubercle, prepiriform area, striatum, at levels rostral to the anterior commissure, claustrum, and deep cortical layers of all gyri of the frontal lobe rostral to the head of the caudate nucleus. The cells are also numerous in intervening white matter, including the external capsule, extreme capsule, and frontal white matter. They are found in the rodent, the macaque, and the human.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.